fine with it. I didn't think that a service like this was provided by the pharmacists.
Well, it's a great atmosphere here today, and there's a lot of people very enthusiastic about the health check.
Oh, it's great, it's brilliant, and it's free, so what else do you want?
I wouldn't have kind of associated it with a pharmacy up to this. I'd have associated with going to my doctor to get it tested.
Well, if you get this done here and there's anything wrong, you can go to your own GP and at least it alerts you.
It was great. Like she was great, and she was very helpful, and she made it very easy, and it was a pleasure.
Professional and very friendly, I have to say.
I would now today.
Would, because I've never done it before, so.
I most certainly would. I felt I was totally at ease with myself.
I probably would go to my local pharmacy, because it's convenient.
I hope to live another while with your help.